Relationship is when two people love and care deeply for each other. It's like having a special close friends, but with stronger feelings of affection. These feelings can lead to dating, marriage, or living together. They share their thoughts, dreams, and secrets. Sometimes romantic relationships start with a crush or feeling really fond of someone. Over time, these feelings can grow into love. Love in romantic relationship can make people feel happy, but it can also bring challenges like disagreements. Romantic relationship can be beautiful and fulfilling, but they also require effort and care from both partners to make them last and stay happy together. First one is lack of communication. Communication is vital in a relationship. When people don't talk openly and listen to each other, problems can grow. It's important to share thoughts and feelings honestly. Communication is like a bridge between two people. Imagine you are one side of the river and your partner is on the other side. To meet in the middle, you need a strong bridge. That bridge is communication. It helps you understand each other's thoughts and feelings. Sometimes people don't communicate because they are scared of what the other person might say. But keeping feelings inside is like putting a lid on the boiling pot. Eventually, it's like explode, causing even bigger problems. So, it's good to share, even if it is hard. To improve communication, try these simple steps. Listen carefully when your partner talks. Be open. Share your thoughts. Second one is not trusting each other. Trust is the foundation of a strong relationship. Doubting or not trusting your partner can lead to insecurity and conflict. Trust needs time to build, but can be lost quickly. Trust is like the strong base of the big building. If you don't trust your partner, it can make things shaky. Trust takes time to grow, but it can break quickly, like glass. When trust is broken, it's like dropping a glass on the floor. It shatters and it's hard to put it back together. Trust means believing your partner will do what they say and be honest with each other. It's like having a secret code between you and two. You both know that can count on each other. To build and keep trust, be honest with each other. Even when it is hard, keep promises and commitments. Talk about what makes you feel safe and secure in the relationship. Third one is being selfish. Selfishness, where someone only think about their own needs, can damage relationship. Partners should consider each other's feelings and needs. Selfishness means only think about yourself and not considering your partner's feelings and needs. It's like having a plate of cookies and not sharing them. In a relationship, it's important to think about what both people's need, like sharing the cookies. Being selfish can create distance and hurt feelings. Avoid selfishness. Think about how your actions affect your partner. Talk about what you both need and find ways to compromise. Remember that giving can be even more satisfying than receiving. Fourth one is constructive criticism. Constantly criticism your partner can hurt their self-esteem. Instead of criticizing, try offering constructive feedback or discussing concerns gently. Instead of saying what's bad, It's better to say how things can be better. It's like giving helpful advice. Criticism can make your partner feel like they are not good enough. To better communicate, share your concerns with kindness and respect. Offer solutions or suggestions for improvement. Focus on the things your partner does well and appreciate them. Number 5 is avoiding conflict. Avoiding conflict may seem peaceful, but it can lead to unresolved issues. Sometimes people avoid arguments, thinking it's better, but it's not. Argument can be help solve problems. Avoiding conflict is like sweeping problems under the rug. At first, the room looks clean, but the mess is still there. Healthy conflict is like cleaning a messy room. It might be tough at first, but it gets better. To handle the conflict in the healthy way, stay calm and listen to each other. Avoid blaming or shouting. Number six is ignoring boundaries. Respecting each other's boundaries is crucial in a relationship. Imagine you have a garden with a fence. The fence marks your personal space. If someone jumps over the fence without your permission, it feels invasive. In a relationship, ignoring boundaries can make your partner feel invaded. To respect boundaries, talk openly about what makes you feel comfortable or uncomfortable. Ask for consent and permission before taking action that affects your partner. Understand that everyone has their personal space and it's important to respect it. Number 7. Neglecting quality time. Spending quality time together is like watering a plant. It helps the relationship grow and stay healthy. Neglecting this can make partners feel distance, like two ships sailing in a different direction. Quality time is not being in the same room. It's about connecting emotionally. To build quality time, set aside time for each other, even in a busy schedule. Engage in meaningful activities or hobbies together. Be present and attentive when spending time with your partner. Number 8 is holding grudges. Holding on to past mistakes or grudges can poison a relationship. Forgiveness and letting go can help heal and move forward. When you hold grudges, it's like keeping a scorecard of who's right or wrong. But in a relationship, there is no winner in this game. To let go of grudges, talk about issues and find resolutions together. Practice forgiveness and empathy. Focus on the present and future, not the past. In summary, every relationship has its ups and downs, but by practicing open communication, trust, empathy, and a willingness to work together, you can overcome these challenges and build a strong, lasting bond. Remember, love is a journey, and you can make it a beautiful one, being kind and understanding towards each other. No relationship is perfect, but being aware of these destructive behaviors and working to improve them can strengthen bond and lead to healthier, happier connection. Have a fantastic day, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the like button.